Hello everyone. As we have already discussed that linear equation can be in one variable, two variable and more than two variable. Now today we are talking about the use of solutions of the linear equations. Now when we talk about the statements, the statement can be convertible or they can be converted into a linear equation, and then we solve the linear equation to find the answer of that particular statement. Now first of all we will discuss that a statement means what exactly the statement is talking about. The first is sum of ages of father and son is 40 years. Now what exactly is the meaning of this statement? The age of father plus the age of son comes out to be 40. We can say if the age of father here is x years, then the age of son is 40 minus x years. This is exactly the same that if in case the sum of two numbers is 20 and one number is 7, that means the another number is 20 minus 7. Same way, if the sum is 40, the father's age is x years, definitely the age of son is 40 minus x. Another statement is age of Ramesh is 10 years more than the age of Mahesh. Suppose here we say the age of Mahesh is x years. We know the age of Ramesh is 10 years more than this. It means the age of Ramesh is x plus 10 years. Now, one thing we have to make very clear that here this is the first assumption we can take that the age of Mahesh is x years, then the age of Ramesh is x plus 10. We can take it otherwise as well. Suppose we say that the age of Ramesh is x years, then the age of Mahesh will certainly be x minus 10 years. So either we can take the age of Mahesh as x and the age of Ramesh as x plus 10, or the second case we can take the age of Ramesh as x and the age of Mahesh as x minus 10, because age of Ramesh is 10 years more than Mahesh can also be written as the age of Mahesh is 10 years less than the age of Ramesh. In the third question, weight of watermelon is 5 times the weight of mango. Again, suppose we take the weight of mango as x kilograms, then the weight of watermelon is definitely 5x. It is 5x because again it is 5 times. 5 times means 5 multiplied by the weight of mango. So watermelon is 5x. This is the first assumption we could take. In the second case, we can talk about the weight of watermelon as x. And if the weight of watermelon is x, then the weight of mango must be x upon 5 kilograms. Because if in case I am saying that the watermelon is 5 times the weight of mango, I can write this statement as the weight of mango is 1/5 of the weight of watermelon. So now we will see that how we can solve the question by taking one variable into consideration. The first question is the sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. It means we are talking about the left hand side and the right hand side. This is actually means is equals to, so this is equals to 32. Here there is a sum of 3 times a number and 11. Sum means the positive sign, and the positive sign is in between 3 times a number and 11. So it is 3x plus 11. When I am saying 3 times a number, I have taken the number as x. 3 times a number means 3x. So 3x plus 11 is 32. If we solve it, 3x becomes 32 minus 11, or the value of 3x becomes 21 and the value of x becomes 7. So for solving the actual problem which comes in the normal life, we have to use the equation and then to solve it. There is another question, find a number such that 1/5 of the number is 3 more than 7. Now we have to see the left hand side and the right hand side and we have to equate them. We have to find a number. Now this number is, let's say, x, such that 1/5 of the number, the phrase 1/5 of the number means 1/5 of x is means is equals to 3 more than 7. So this number is 3 more than 7. Now the point is, when I am saying 1/5 the number is 3 more than 7, then we can add 3 here and equate them. Because this number is 3 more than 7 means 7 plus a number must be equal to this. So it can be written as 1 by 5x is equal to 7 plus 3. Or if I am not adding this on the right hand side, we can subtract 3 on the left hand side. So there are two ways of writing it. One is 1 by 5x minus 3 is equals to 7. And another way is 1 upon 5x is equals to 7 plus 3. Both are basically the same equations, because if in case we take this minus 3 on the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. So it is x upon 5 is equals to 10 and the value of x becomes 50. There is yet another question. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Here, suppose the score of Rahul we take is x. Definitely, Sachin's score is double the score of Rahul, so the score of Sachin is 2x. Together their runs fell too short of double century, that is 2x plus x. The total runs together is equals to 2 short of the double century. Double century is 200, and when I am saying 2 short, that is 2 less than 200, so it is minus 2. If we solve this, it becomes 3x equal to 198 and the value of x becomes 66. When I am saying the value of x is 66, that means the score of Rahul is 66 because we have taken the score of Rahul as x. So the score of Rahul becomes 66 and the score of Sachin becomes 2 into x, that is 66. So it is 132. The score of Sachin is 132 and the score of Rahul is 66. So this way we solve the practical statement based questions by making the equation and then we have to solve it. In the next video we will talk about the linear equation in 2 variables. These can be solved by graphical representation as well as by the algebraic method. So we will talk about 2 variables in the next video. Thank you.